Hi, Alzheimer's disease and public health students. Just going to use this short video to go through how to collect the data for the modeling an outbreak activity. So as you're working with your cups and exchanging fluids and going through each round using the random number generator, you need to track which cup is exchanging with which cup in each round. So you can see the rounds are here, round 1, round 2, and round 3, and then you can log for each cup who they exchanged liquid with. First of all, you need to make a copy of this data sheet. Just go to File, make a copy, and what you want to do is replace the word template with your last name. So for example, mine would be Kate, modeling an outbreak contact activity, then click OK. I've already created a copy for your reference. So here's my copy, and this is just an example of what your data sheet should look like by the end. So with each round, you can see that I noted the cup number that each cup shared with. You can see there's a little bit of repeat, like 4 shared with 5 twice. But that's okay. Again, random number generator might generate a couple little overlaps. It'll make the contact tracing a little tricky, honestly, but that's what it's like in reality too. So again, once you've completed all 3 rounds, after the 3rd round, you then need to look at each of your cups, and even if there's the faintest amount of color, right, clearly some juice has been moved into it, then that is infected. And if it's just clear, untouched water, no color whatsoever, it's not infected, right? So you can see here that my cup number 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, and 10 were infected, whereas 9, 8, 5, and 4 managed to not be infected. And so the homework is going to be that you're going to swap or share your Google Sheet with a designated person, which is in the table on the assignment right here. So make sure to share your template with me and with that person. So just to show you how to do that, you're going to click on this big green share button in the upper right corner. You're going to type in just my name. It'll pull up an email. I'm already in here, so just get my Gmail, which is ihate@gmail, but then type in the name of your other partner person. So for example, if you're with William McMillan, type in William, and you'll see William McMillan's email profile there, and then just click send once you are done to do that. And it's good to change this from editors to viewers, just so we don't accidentally delete or alter your data, but it's not a big deal if you don't get that one step. But just make sure you share it with me and with your assigned partner. And then the homework is going to be to do a little contact tracing yourself. Try to work backwards and figure out who was patient 0. Best way to do that is to see the interactions of the people who are not infected. That'll kind of help you figure out at least who wasn't infected during certain rounds and then maybe became infected. So there's some interesting trends here. So for example, you can see that they exchanged with, let's see, there's got to be something here, 1, 9, and 5. So for example, 1 here, you can see this individual, cup number 8, exchanged with cup number 1 in the very beginning, but cup number 1 is infected. So clearly wasn't infected in that round. So then 1 clearly exchanged with some other cup that then got it infected. So anyway, do your best to work backwards. This is what a lot of medical professionals have to do. And see if you can figure out who patient 0 is, and then we'll kind of do a little reveal at the end. And it's okay if you can't identify a specific individual. It might get it down to just 2 likely candidates for patient 0, but that's okay. All right, hope that was helpful. Thanks.